So most of you guys know me as the guy on YouTube that grew and scaled his own restoration company and now helps others grow and scale their restoration company. And you would not be wrong. But what you may not know is before that, I had a whole nother career. In 2001, I moved to Nashville to be a country singer out of all things. I literally lived in a trailer in Alabama, and then I left the trailer to move to Nashville to be a country singer. Why not, right? Well, turns out I had a little luck on my side, and I wound up getting a record deal and was signed. And I toured and had a music career of a little over a decade, probably about 12, 13 years. And so it was then that I got out of music, got married, and then I started my first company, Simple Solutions. And so that's how it all gets going from there. So today we're going to go back and I'm going to share one of the videos, and we're going to listen to one of the songs. It's called I Might Miss You. And I'm just sharing this with you guys, some guys that asked to see some music. So we're going to do that today. So I'm going to let you check out the video and we'll come wrap it up. We'll see you in just a minute.
Got one hand on the phone, the other on the wheel. I wonder how far I'll drive before I start to feel the urge to turn around, roll this window down, and toss this phone out on the ground. But if you call, I might miss you. And if you don't, I might wish you would. I got my foot on the floor and I'm burning gas, trying to keep your memory in the past. If you call, I might miss you. I might miss you.
How about that? So, yeah, man, life has some really unexpected turns. And for me, I don't know what I was thinking when I moved to Nashville to try and be a country singer. I don't know what I was thinking when I tried to start my first restoration company. I've learned a lot over the years, and I've just been so blessed and so fortunate to live an amazing life. And I really do thank God every day for that. I've got an amazing family now. I've got a wonderful wife and kids, and I wouldn't change it for anything, okay? And maybe you can start to see some of these elements, you know, like we give away an award to our clients, and you can see that it's a record, right? Like, and so in all the stage lighting and everything else, it just feels like a lot of the stuff that I do on camera now probably has a lot to do with the fact that I was creating content and singing songs way back then. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that. If you want some more, let me know. I may publish some other stuff, but we'll see you guys next week.
I still miss you.